Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You're joining us at an extremely hot day today here in Pattaya, Thailand, and we've come to Mimosa and it looks closed. Yeah, we'll have a look around anyways. Stop looking. Says get the tickets from there, but I think it's kind of closed. Let's just go for a wander. Yeah, it looks kind of abandoned, doesn't it? Wow. So, this video has gone from showing you Mimosa to showing you a bit of a ghost town. Wow. Oh my god. What the heck's happened here? I mean, you can see how pretty it is and how much money's been spent on the place. But each of these were all little stalls and shops. I mean, it's about 8 years since we've been. German restaurants, Chinese restaurants. Look at the theming. Wow, I cannot believe it's like this. Unbelievable. Everything just seems to be left, all the tables. Everything's just left to rot. It's like the zombie apocalypse. I mean, if you look, even nature's starting to take over the buildings. Wow. Should just take these home with us, shouldn't I? The Lake of Love that way. Come on. I was going to go up there, but
maybe not.
Maybe not.
It's okay. Shush, shush, shush.
Belongs to the dogs. So yeah, I was going to go explore that building. Not anymore. The dog said, "Not allowed."
Probably such a clock though. Shush, shush.
Look at this, man. Nature's just took right over. Mr. Cake? Not anymore. This was a beautiful, beautiful place. Oh my god. I wonder if the fish are still there, because this was full of fish.
I think the fish is...
This is the other half. This place is huge. And all abandoned. There was like a fountain show thing going on here. Wow. Can I get over it? I honestly cannot believe it's been left like this. So that big building there, all the walls and the floors and things had like paintings on that were optical illusions. So when you stood next to them, it looked like you were falling off a cliff or something like that. And it's all gone, all closed. Well, it's not still there, it's just closed. I mean, look at these railings. Wow. The water fountain and everything just dead. What do you see the size of this building? Look at this. I'm sure it was like a big food hall or something. And it's just abandoned. Bit of urban exploring. What's behind the curtain? Funland, the happiest place on earth. Wow. Yeah, this big building's got some lovely art in it. But unfortunately, not allowed. This sort of stuff, you know. That building is full of them. Oh, it's actually being bricked up so you can't get in. That's to stop people spray painting over the art, just in case they reopen. So there's more examples of the artwork that's in there. And like this, it looks like you're wearing wings, and there's Bruce Lee. And if you stand in the right spot, it looks like you're fighting with him. Wow. Well, the Mimosa show is not shown anymore. Imagine doing that back home. If you're a Thai national, it's 150 baht. If you're a foreigner, it's 300 baht. So there you have it, folks. Mimosa, Pattaya, the city of love, is now just an abandoned place, left to rot and left for nature to take over. There's a couple of squatters in there living as well, but yeah. Anywho, do not forget to like, comment, follow, share, all that good stuff. Ring the bell, bing bing. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. What a shame.